Exclusive, it's true. After weeks of speculation, we can confirm that Tameka Harris and Tameka Tiny Harris are set for a follow-up series to their VH1 reality hit, T and Tiny, The Family Hustle. The new show, T and Tiny, Friends and Family Hustle, will premiere October 22nd on VH1. Watch the first promo above. Back for Friends and Family Hustle are a recording artist T. Harris, his wife, Tameka Harris, and their children Zonnique, Messiah, Domani, Deyjah, King, Major, and Heiress. They are joined on the new series by Monica Brown, Untitled Wright, LeToya Luckett, Zonnique Pullins, and Regina Carter. And Tiny, The Family Hustle was a legacy show for VH1, running for 6 seasons and becoming the first VH1 series to hit the 100-episode milestone. They are the lovable first family of VH1, the network's head of unscripted Deyjah said of the Harrises in May 2017 when the series' highly rated final season, which drew 2 million viewers, was coming to a close.
Asked back then whether there may be a follow-up or spin-off series in the future, Deyjah sounded optimistic. "We want to continue to be in business with Tameka and Tip," she told Deadline. "We love them, and we love all of the kids. We love what they have shared and what they stand for, and we would love to continue to see what evolves and develops." And Tiny, The Family Hustle ended after Tameka Harris filed for divorce. She and T since have reconciled, and the new stage in their relationship will be reflected on the new show. And Tiny, Friends and Family Hustle will showcase everything from complicated marriages and young love to health scares and past baggage to Tip and Tiny working to keep their family together. As they are returning to reality TV, the hip-hop family brings with them some other Atlanta stars, including Monica Brown, LeToya Luckett and Untitled Wright with her daughter Regina Carter. This group of loyal friends will support one another as they navigate the complex terrain of juggling family while building their empires. And Tiny, Friends and Family Hustle is executive produced by Tip T. Harris for Grand Hustle, Tameka Tiny Harris for Pretty Hustle, and Brian Scher for Category 5. Christian Sarabia, Vinnie Kaufman, Jennifer McGrogan, and Donna Edge Rachel serve as executive producers for 51 Minds Entertainment. Here is more information on the new cast additions. Monica Brown, multi-platinum, Grammy-winning artist balancing marriage and motherhood while returning to the studio for the first time to create new music. Untitled Wright, New York Times best-selling author and Atlanta socialite. LeToya Luckett, actress and Grammy Award-winning singer-songwriter expecting a baby with her newlywed husband, Tameka's Tommy Walker. Zonnique Pullins, singer, actress, model and eldest daughter of Tameka Tiny Harris and stepdaughter of Tip T. Harris. Regina Carter, daughter of Untitled Wright and hip-hop icon Lil Wayne. Tameka Tiny Harris, Zonnique Pullins, Major Harris, King Harris and Heiress Harris are repped by Pantheon.
What do you think about it? Share your opinion in the comments below the video. And also subscribe to the channel not to miss new, interesting videos.